Mu dey na edu.
Ni nyina by temptation no free bonsam side na test free yakopon.
And how do you know that this is a test or temptation?
Oh, unyina obehu.
So.
To say the mama found to.
Minyini say mfie mu ana say minyini say
both.
Pacho.
If you are talking about sin and make me about it.
Okay.
And after test biano, ucha promotion ba.
Okay.
After temptation, we stand there promotion ba.
Okay.
What I mention say. Tinyami testi nipa. Na bo so tempt nipa.
Nyame hu yamo Pacho ye hwe kwan aware for betime janse mu e be lead to the romance in marriage. The person say Pacho question back. Person say forgiveness no. So obi je asem nim say won ka say I'm sorry ana. And he say oh na minimu we dey like e dey na be mo hu se nipa we dey wo je asem nim amanaka. Obi ode na no be ka so nimu na ntisa na ni ye che se ntisa. Nti e ka so obi je asem nim ade na be mo hu so je asem.
You read the book of Colossians.
Okay.
Chapter 3, verse number 13. What's it saying? 3:13. Colossians.
Pacho say. Na se obi ne munya asem bi a. Munhunu mo ma mo ho. Na munfa ncheche mo ho. Se de Ewade de ache mo no. Se de mo nso munye se de mo nso munye no.
Se de mo nso munye no.
Pacho.
Okay. Question.
Oto aso a o se na ye nim nyina so na monhye odo a eka nneoma nyina bomu no ewie peyo enu no monhwie ngu
fine wo se beye den e na ye hu se nipa na odi ache
na nye na no keke no de ka
me say after forgiveness you upgrade your heart your romantic heart level said the one from a kind of one each level. Which I mentioned in a nice way. Even if it's not a nice way, may know often if you offer me cheap. What can I say it here? Why are you being young? What about the pamache? The Bema one was a media chum said, Debbie, I make us 80. A great your romantic level. That day, ni also need the pano eda. We nyemi bia won nim se ubetimi aye wo ye de kire no. Se wa anye na aye ho a. Wo te me chance. Mate maje atum na enso. But what me show sa anye ni kire ni but no timi say no questions bi. E ba dem kan wo timi say. Wo timi say no questions bi. Ti a no kire ma wo mu say. Obu akura wo boss no forget. Is there?
O ma mponka.
O ma wonka. Obu kwa so Natalia wakoto. Wo friend na ya. That day no dedi chale me yanko. And that's why you look nice.
Oh, that's.
Me some na make am. Oh. Masam na make keke. Nyawo na make just.
Me je wo so.
Aha, okay.
Na komo twetwe na ye de.
Why nice? You. Anyway, say I'm bad because of my friend. That's very good. You know, so no addition. So the way for told you, akwa we. The boy crack us on better than there. Some common name suggestion. I know pay me Bibiana. Show maturity. I don't know the cause of that. The cause is according to Bible. It is a command to forgive your fellow.
Ayo oshe.
Ayo oshe. Colossians say ayo oshe. Mum fanchiche.
Said the old chair.
Said the Christo. Ah, mo shana se no. I did just chair. On the cross. Look at what happened. And Jesus said what? God forgive them because they don't know what they are doing. That time people think that what they are doing, you know, is right too. They don't know. So if you know that what your fellow Christian is doing or your fellow human is doing to you is not right, the best you need to do is to forgive that person. At times you think, Papa, if you see them, you talk to them, all right, you do this. That is my key. What do I mention? Mammy cat you some cat will see you be
If I try.
No one, boy, no, generally, many cry the sunshine. Or hard general boy instruments. You need to instrumentalist something. Or hard general pan, I was say, you're quay, you know, but may man tinted no part, me bad training, and me bad boy back or keyboard appear. Or what's a daddy? Some way, you know, you ever call I'm gonna
do my say.
You say, baby, will do my say. I'm going to
do my say.
Cannot do my say, God bless you. So now, we got him so how now. But so far, I'm calling change, you never come and join you or me home to me. When the buyer so far come last or Yari or do we and so for say, no one name say, as someone to go on by ya, and go on Mama Kunya, or suffer. No, there's some more dear but other kind or no or drum or band. I said, Papa, I'm ready. Say me sacrifice because at that talk crying at the crowd. Because one should I say I'm connecting to any right person. My friend said, don't worry, Shabu Yan on any more. And we are so would and will be upon some who didn't seem sky very careful. And more being fat, I'm a man feel far the other day. And my own feeling. So, what kind of media won't was a more than you be brave? Oh, boy, the Papa, yes, Robbie, see you from the mind. Yes. Do dear ye be a media channel or your man. No, me drink a salmon, call me maybe a woo. What I mean, forgiveness is a key. So if somehow open someone said, I'm making a hop, let me preach a ninja. So who himself as someone who issue, and I am a DB and then you know could preach on a year when in it. Obama, the men fine. I don't have any problem against him. Because me only say ignorance. Unim and oh, to me, minima. Why shouldn't I show maturity? The same thing applies to marriage. Marriage, no matter what, more level of understanding and your pedal. And also, you won't. More point of views and your pet. More spectacle of seeing and your pet. More hearing and your pet. The feelings will not be the same. So, who wife or why you know, ni soup, the temperament. What the major say? So, we was a total bufua. What me kasa sana. You didn't show good so on what dream. Bemo be worry America in some year we you know worry me. She's very good. Ben senye nahi. Se mo nam na mo say eh bia bibi koso no wadwa bompae ma nkonkron na mfa hunhunu nsu nye dey. Emu because why dey? Why yes. And that is Nanaya I knew. But by the grace of God and understanding, because of one in a giwa, level, education background, yes, and everything. Don't argue with that person. Show maturity. Let a person learn a lot from you. By some phone, oh, no, so also about being some for also one could you be. Patch what the major. And to the person made here for 10 and say, who better one in a chair? And you compose the Bible says we should forgive. A compulsory. And all forgiving. Now, the romantic ever. Now, oh, last week I didn't make a send you. Me, yeah, no, we show my treat to the children. Let me read about Joyce Mayer. A quite good defense. You mean to me in Kanko. It's for share video, no. Oh, share video, no. Na a share video, no. Just me, you couldn't have a power, but would deny. A total call on night, but I didn't know looking and no cat a preachy. Winter, no snow top. Upia, baby honey. no iti ama be ma no yi ama be ma wotimi ba Ghana ni ba opi make a chiro me chire wo paare wo ka se wo to me na ka se me ya afra de ma wo ka se me yo bi me ka chiro me tua wo ka
be me so be for cry obi wo ka so ya ba
ma ko na tena ye wo ya me tua wo ka se oba na ne tin no me gina pro na chia but oba ni wura mu na undo ye baby are you okay? And do you know one funny thing? Well, yes, I am one do I saw them. Where's the Luku? You could be that so for us. Say, according to you, didn't know so won't change beyond. Still, no ban, a child was such a
wow.
But one can't say, yes, you do. For any producer was for that, say, radio. But, no, I'm a new before Christ.
Wow.
Christ is that the Yabena Ushu. When you are in issues, when you are in trouble, when the storms are blowing, when persecutions are coming to you, and so many Bahuku how at a tea and I'm for how many your words are very powerful. So be careful by your words. So, no, just me, I want not to come. Yamin Chioka. I was say, baby, I love you. I'm very sorry. Uti. What do you mean, say?
Yes, sir.
But baby, you could be saying, we should be already. And deep now, you that's your temptation. That is your test. So you need to be very careful.
Wow.
I'm telling you. Many more beer. You don't want to sumo bar. But I'm sure, but then you shoot. Una kwenda no obono wa me fa ne ntem awu adwuma
onim dia to no kwan mama ne delay
owie no fa me de tra ka o to car gate no wo bu nkoto Kachin, I'm very sorry. And do you know something? Omudu fie no anya ma be ma ne letter Satan would be free adwuma mo ye yi na di. And Obani shall say so ushu. But I said, no, I'm very sorry for disappointing you. I said, what kind of disappointing is that? That wasn't my expectation. No, I said, no, it is me. I'm the cause of what. No, it's not you. I'm the cause. If I'm able to buy a 2 cars for this family, and the lady and now I'm to say.
Wow.
And I told my son, you know something? Just forgive. Now my TikTok na ho ba krokrowa e huribo be ma so. Nipa no be ma jimifo na wo je no mo ba bo sei. Be ma jimifo. No. Peter was so di jimi yede. Epe ni nche. Kokosechi. Was so di jimi. So obedidi aduane papa amoda se ni ekuna we se di kum nkroma ene obedidi board so. Tumu no kura na kwankura bi aboa wi akromo nam so ege onam so on ma fom ko nipa nyina obewe no ba Peter nam no kura na no gina ho cause odi ni no fun
okay
wonyini cha so ompe eni ntino de bia no pese wonyini cha learn to forgive.
Wow.
One for boni ancha etima ulcer monya psychological trauma, you traumatized adwinum nyemetimi how. God bless you.
Amen. Let's say.
The
panel the chair on record and to her and make history. Watch name you are kind panel.
Debbie. I want the name call boxing. Call come. Ne yin yo so we. Ma fomo. What better say me no ba e dampa so. Ukru me. Call come be boxing so. Bi Jesus here. Pacho, I don't for mon share this video. Who will be a problem? Who will be a baby hano? Uno be a warrior mount, Niama ye basa, will be a war high warrior. Share this video no for man. Near San Seremo. Say more intimate and more than near airban, a reading a coupon show. Diana,
War.
War. Meba. Eko. To better semine Obana Dahoro. Ukunu wedded husband. And I'm no Obana Dahoro. Then away a con war. What come on this and let the Diaba Baba, what for second, what for two, what far back. Because Ukra for food. When you don't food, what to so look the war. What for second, what for camera, they send you. Who chow ye, ye won't ye know. Who book, get one new cranda, who born who. We go no crab about better. Who be no cool down. Who's a major? What disrespect to Obano? We know you're down, but what disrespect to him. And you were new. President can have one thing. Let's solve the issue of your homework. The cause of the on course and the on course of the course. What are there ends here? A man who could go for be. Are there ends here? You go for be. He say BC. Man go for be. I didn't see a small yet. I go for but this is more go for. Where say ends. Now we don't know go for and ma bontin. Because we go when him say as a year, me na me go when him say. We go when him say as you kuna go na go when him say.
Tina say e ba ne santo so kokko na wo bi enum no wonti ne mo beti fita.
And when you war, that's what the devil is saying. A temptation, a test. A command the buy, I said, let there be war. To one a year. It is a one who said, a command, you have power and control over your
heart,
your emotions, and answer your heart and your feelings. There will be war because then I will take care. But there may be no warning. So what will you do? Try another one. Then I'm quite sorry. We want maybe I done for the catcher to you war.
Hatred.
The hatred. What don't be the catcher or tie? Oh, my mean a catcher or tie. What don't I say war? To one who what dream more. What I say hatred. More time, I say I call you a tie. To the you feel the software preacher can you now? To where the work community still not very active. Because no nipa ne wodwene nsa na wotie. Try another one.
But disloyal.
Disloyal. No quality ama because who can say for better for worse. And now no when we say we need quality ama because what started war, what started hatred. Eya we ya. What can say we feel didi atamu ye say. Obi so wa hatred ne beba. Did you correct him? Far back for two ball ban, for sick kind ball ban. We should know because Colossians chapter 3 verse 8 I can say we should forgive. And I may not make me do quite a no. And then Friday number 2 you could so door bash. Wednesday number way. Then make what you say. Wednesday number way. Tuesday number way. Me could do ring in here day. A share man, me find a chida. So me find a chida could be kind. But Ebia Mene will be able to play romance, and it's a sin. Oh, me crazy. I dare know some yes, I do. My quarter said, me no be down. Hatred, I shall say, what shall say? Giddy. Me family, Chidana. My no tell the mental. That's why you did. And marriage, and you might be brave.
I'm a married bass and say, it be impossible before, but you don't pick calls.
I don't pick calls, I don't test. Because me pick you go ahead and make an enemy. Well, to make training me to that level. So I will never pick call, I will never talk to you. Some baby show ignorance. I'm on your master I will never talk to you. A child then up on our phone. So when I because I'm a human, I will feel him what I think. Say you me angry.
Again, as some
so her back. No, be so much. Many people say, and so I'm on your day. Onya because you name word which is read
gentleness.
But better so bad also. A bema also. A man who cries a lesbian. Oh, my son worry. ebi me atiti bebre ebi so aba manim a wakọ se ne yere ne obada empa so na gentleness me knock it door me so koto so obi ne o yere da enyima mienu ada so obi a na so ato aso wontimi a mo
ompini na nchen
na da nchen ke mo na nchen se wo da mo nchen na hwe kwan a wafa so o de ye wo yere no ebe na wontimi ye wo hua no so ayi no da be ma na se so we educate you what do you do the next level no don't laugh we see nyansa what tell me jana say asapra me ka chiro no wontimi so a wo akwa akire omu bia don't say anything tell your wife I'm very sorry upon the baby who say I'm very sorry yes wontimi emunani mo ase emuyire mo ase Bama, be gentle. And Cassandra Yedin, I could talk to you, Yedi Akopaba. What the bar? Oh, it's normal. But why are you careful when you're about when you answer? Because who ye be? A tick for that, a ring throw cars are. But mature person will learn from what you are doing.
Wow.
The same knuckle to the same thing. We'll be to go about a question. I'm telling you, prison there, yo.
Papa.
Okay?
Papa.
Prison there, yeah.